Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to search for apps with Flow Launcher step by step. If you want to open your favorite applications without scrolling through the start menu, Flow Launcher makes it fast and incredibly convenient. So let's get started. First, make sure Flow Launcher is installed and running on your Windows computer. To open it, use the default keyboard shortcut, which is usually Alt and space. As soon as you press the shortcut, the Flow Launcher search box will appear in the center of your screen. Next, start typing the name of the application you want to open. You don't have to type the full name because Flow Launcher begins searching instantly and displays matching results as you type. In most cases, the app you're looking for will appear at the top of the list within a second. Once you see the correct application, use the up and down arrow keys to select it if needed, then press enter to launch it. You can also click the result with your mouse if you prefer, but using the keyboard is usually much faster. If the application doesn't appear in the results, make sure it's properly installed on your computer and allow Flow Launcher a moment to refresh its search index. You can also check the launcher settings to ensure application searching is enabled and working correctly. With a little practice, you'll be able to launch apps in just a few keystrokes, saving time every day and making your workflow much more efficient. And that's it. You now know how to search for apps with Flow Launcher quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.